Hey, good morning. I want to go over some factoring overviews here. I want to look at first when the coefficient is just 1, and just a reminder on how we do that. Again, the key parts of this we want to look for, again, we want to make sure that this is the standard form. There's our A term, there's our B term, and there's our C term. So what we want to look on here is we want to take factors of this C term, which is -8, that not only multiply to -8, but also add up to positive 2. So we got -4, -2, we got 4 and 2, and all those combinations. But the combinations we need to look for are something like 4 and -2. 4 times -2 is -8. 4 plus, or 4 minus 2 in this case, is a positive 2. So we know we can write down our factors, x plus 4 and x minus 2. And don't forget, we can go back and FOIL this out to see if we do have the right combination here. So plus 4x minus 8, and we can see that the two terms combine, the x terms combine, and it does check out. So that is the correct factorization of that trinomial. Now let's look back at what we learned a couple days ago or yesterday about when the coefficient is not 1. What do we have to do? Well, the first thing we have to do is, using our box here, first of all, we got to look, see if there's 2 divide anything out here, and it doesn't. We then go ahead, upper left hand corner, we put our 2x squared, and we put our C term of 15 in the opposing box. Now what we need to do is multiply the A and C terms. So our magic number is 30. So now what we're looking for is combinations of numbers that multiply to 30 and also add up to 11. Well, as you go through the list here, 15 and 2 doesn't add up, 10 and 3 doesn't add up, but this 5 and 6, 5 times 6 is 30, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So our two factors here is we're going to put in a 5x and a 6x. Now once we have that, we go around the box and we look here. Sorry about that, folks, I messed up. But we go around the box here. First of all, we look at the columns first. We'll look at the columns first. And here our common term is an x. I go to the next one here. Our common term, least common term here, is 3. We go into rows now, and we see that our common factor here is a 2x. And don't forget the x factors out. And our common factor here is a 5. So now we put it all together. We have x plus 3, and we have 2x plus 5. And we can go back and, if you need to, FOIL to see if we've got the right combination, which we do here. One bit of caution, remember, if I have a negative sign either on the edge, say for here or for here, then the negative sign does get attached. If the negative sign is somewhere embedded here, we don't have to worry about it. It's always going to come out positive. Have a good day, and I hope this helps.